Good morning, everybody. We got green futures. So yesterday, this one fat guy came and talked about rate cut and stuff, and market jumped, and it pulled back, but it was a kind of a strong close. We got a little bit run up into the close, and right now we got green futures. GDP came in. Today we got Cybertruck, and then on top of that we got PCE report coming in this week, and the most important, maybe important, maybe not. We'll see. Friday Powell is talking. So let's see what's going on. ES right now hitting a new high and getting close to this target level 45.94.53. That's a very, very major level. If we do manage to pass that one, next major level, let me show you guys. Yeah, 4800. I need to draw the Fibonacci between them. So for now, direction on the ES, 5 minutes is MACD dead cross. It's still 15:30. 1 hour is upward. The most important thing is that happening right now is a 4 hour MACD is golden crossing on indexes. Daily MACD was curving down, was trying to come down yesterday, but with the 4 hour right now golden cross, we'll see what's gonna happen. And as you know, weekly is still very, very bullish. NQ to do NQ is still 173.75, so it's shy 25 points from the high of this season. Is it gonna be a double top? Maybe some people say that, but no. For now, we'll see. 4 hours golden cross. Pre-market right now, 5 is dead cross, 15 is dead crossing right now, and 4 hours golden cross. So that's the most important thing. And weekly is still very bullish. Again, daily MACD was trying to curve down, same like ES, but we need to break this 16173.5, the previous high of last week. Break that one, can run up higher. And right now we are just shy 20.25 points from it. If we see a jump up at open, market can have a crazier green day today. Dow Jones, we got 4 hour golden cross there too. RUT still on the run up, and the 4 hours golden cross. TNX continuing going lower. TNX next target is 42.45, 41.68. It's possible to go down in next few sessions, maybe by getting close. I'm not sure, maybe this week, maybe next week. 40.42, it's possible to come. That was a very, very, very super major level in the past few months that it was trying to break it and many times tried to fail. So it was a very, very major level if you go look at the weekly charts. So keep an eye on 40.42. Direction is very, very downward there, and the lower this goes, market can fly up higher. DXY, we got the first yellow bar on daily finally, and the 4 hours golden cross. So keep an eye on DXY. The only thing that can pull down, I'm not saying the only thing, but one of the major thing that can pull down this run up is the dollar index. So if you see dollar goes up, be cautious. Right now pre-market, that's one of the things is causing a little bit of weakness right now. 5.15.30 is upward, so it's this run up is not good. Need this one to pull back. Once this pull back, we can have another squeeze up. Wix 5 is upward. Still, we don't have a golden cross on daily. Next target there is we need to go below 12.1, and then can if it goes below 12.1, market can get even more squeezy. SPX one of the super key levels is reaching. It's right now is hovering around 45.77.66. That's a very, very major level. If we do manage to pass that this week or today, right now is around it. If we do pass that one, these are the next major level: 46.14, 46.44, 46.73.76. To BTC. Daily MACD is still not golden cross. It's even though it's at the as it is at the high and getting close to 40k. Once the daily MACD golden crosses, man, it can go crazier. So keep an eye on BTC too. Every time it jumps up, all the crypto stocks going crazy. Apple, 4 hours on the edge to have a golden cross. Pre-market right now 15:30. 1 hour is upward. It's all about 190, 191.7. If it breaks that one, can run up to the higher level. 192, 193, 194.02. Amazon, thank you very much. It's all about 148.3. If it breaks that one, next target we're looking is 150.55. Pre-market right now, 4 hour is getting close to golden cross, but 1 hour is very bullish, so it does have a chance. Breaks pre-market high, can run up to the higher level, 150 and higher level. Nvidia gapping up 5 points. 4 hour is finally a golden cross since the earning, so that's a very positive note. It's all about 483.86. If it jumps that one, 487.99 easy can come. Need to pass 487.99 strong to run up to the higher level, which is 489, 491, 493.88. This one does have the potential to run up. AVGO, it do is finally we got yellow bars there too, and MACD is doing some recovery. Need to pass 950 strong. If it does that one, we're looking at recovery back to 956, 966.03. Baba, it gapped down, doing some recovery right now. It looks just very horrible. Look at this. Just 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, everything very red. So even though it's recovering a little bit, gapping down, then it recovered a little bit, but this one is just direction is so down. I think 73, 72, 71, 8.8 is possible to come this week or next week. Netflix, it's all about 482, 482.06. Breaks that one. We're looking for next target 484.88. And this is a major level 488, 484, 88. Needs to pass that one strong to run up to the next level 493. 4 hour we get the first light blue bar, and if that one passes, we can go even crazier. Holiday season is coming, so maybe a lot of people sign up for Netflix for watching movies, so maybe 500 comes. Meta had a strong close yesterday. It's all about 341.55. It's possible to touch it down, touch it, then we'll see what's gonna happen. Pre-market doesn't show that much strength on the 5, 15, and 30. Still bullish on the 1 hour and 4 hour. I like it that it got a golden cross. If it passes 341, we're looking at 343, 345.09. Tesla, favorite names of everybody, many people. 4 hour got a golden cross. It was interesting is that yesterday it opened, it jumped, then it was just acting yo-yo, and then it went down. Then it was like 10:30 or 11. It was all the 5, 15, 30, everything start golden crossing, and then the 4 hour golden cross, and it was just a non-stop run up. And the 1 hour, here's the thing, this is what I learned about Tesla last, I don't know how many years I traded this. Every time you see 30 minutes very bullish TTM squeeze and MACD, you see here, and the 1 hour same thing into the close, that's a huge sign that this is gonna gap up, and it sure did. And right now, pre-market right now, 15 and 30 is already dead cross. 1 hour we got dark blue bar, but 4 hour is still very bullish. So in general, until you don't see a dark blue bar on the 4 hour, it's still possible to go higher. Event is tomorrow. It's possible maybe some people lock gains at open, maybe does some pullback at open, back to 248, 248.56 to 46.1. That's just a possibility. But if it even if it does pull back, or if it jumps at open, next target is it's possible to touch down. If it pulls back, it can touch down these levels and jumps up. But if it doesn't and jumps up, we're looking at 250, 255. And then next target is 254. If it passes 252, we're looking at 254, 256, 54. If things get very crazy about Tesla, which is possible, and we're looking at 257, 258, 260. Need to pass 256 strong to go crazy. And in case it gets super crazy, if Elon Musk says craziest stuff, those are the next target all the way to 272. It's a small chance to get to 270. Who knows? We'll see. Anyhow, enough of Tesla. Microsoft making a new highs. So next target there is 386.85. Pre-market right now 5 and 15 is dead cross. But if it passes pre-market high 385.4, we're looking at 386 and 389.46. Those are the next target. It looks very bullish on the 4 hour, daily, and weekly. We got dark blue bar on the daily, but right now we got a 4 hour golden cross. Every time you see the name is still bullish on daily and weekly, and the 4 hour golden crosses, that means another run up ahead. Google, Yesterday's try to bounce up and it's continuing right now. It's all about 138.55. Passes that one, can gonna run back to 139.36. AMD 1 point higher. 4 hours on the edge to golden cross. So if you see a jump up there, next target is 124.76. That's a key level to watch. Passes that one is strong, we can run up to the higher level, 127, 129. Boeing hovering around 223 for now. Yesterday got an upgrade, but it didn't run up crazy, and it pulled back. Then it went and recovered. So it's the next target is there is 226, 4 hour. We still in a dead cross. We don't have a golden cross on 4 hour yet, and we got dark blue bar on daily. So it's possible hovering around 223 and maybe some consolidation until next catalyst. We'll see what's gonna happen. SPY, it's all about 457.78. Right now pre-market 15 to for everything, 15 above everything looking bullish. 4 hour we got a golden cross, so it's all about 457.78. If it does pass that one for whatever reason this week, those are the next target: 459, 461, 463.13. QQQ 490 393.07. That was the high of this season, and it already passed it. NQ didn't, but QQ did. So next target there to watch is 394.89. Need to pass that one is strong for running up to near 400, and it needs some push up. It's possible to 400 comes if market gets one more squeeze up day. 400 may come. What else you got here? Other names: Roku. Next target there is 111, 115, 12. Pre-market right now 5 to 1 hour is showing some weaknesses. 4 hour we don't have dark blue bar yet, but if it does, it's possible to maybe hover around 107. It's all about open. If it opens and jumps, and you see it's just, this is normal settings for every name. When you see a name is on a run up and pre-market showing some weaknesses, if you see it opens and jumps right away, 5, 15, 30 MACD, if they do golden cross, then it can go for another bigger run up. So this is the same, this can apply to any name. Just keep in mind. Pan W making a new all-time high. I need to draw Fibonacci there. Keep an eye on that one. Next major level, this one is possible to go to 300 in the next 2-3 weeks. Coin showing some weaknesses because of BTC. We got dark blue bar on the 4 hour. PayPal, this one is on the run up, so keep an eye on 659.85. If it can pass that one, next target level is 62.09. ZS, this one is on the run up. Same strategy I mentioned about Pan W. This one is running up and then making a new high for this season. So 195.07 was the high for this season, or it's already opening above it. Next target is 197.05 and 198.244. Gold is on the run there too. It's trying to break out. SQ, next target there is 65.59. What else? GME was very interesting yesterday. Crazy last night too. So this one, next target there is 18.16. Its earning is next week. If it gets more squeezy, can run up there. Pre-market right now, nothing special on the 5, 15, and 30. And 1 hour we got dark blue bar, but 4 hours still very bullish. So we have to see the actions that open. If it runs up crazier again, the next target is 18.16. And I see 20s even. I got bought the calls of 20s. So anyhow, what else? CRWD got an earning and jumps up right now. 229.27. That's the next major level. Looking very bullish there. DLTR, nothing special. GM got a release. They gonna do 10 billion buyback. Next target there is 33.45. Passes that one, we can run up to the higher level. Snow is running up. Earning is today after close. It pre-market has a nice run up. So but 515 doesn't show that much strength again for continuing. Need to pass 175.54 for continuation to 179.34 and higher level. Again, earning is after close, so we'll see. Maybe a big mover. Airbnb got a downgrade from 150 to 140, 155 to 140 by Jeffries, so that doesn't help it. So, but keep an eye on it open. TSM looking very bullish pre-market from 5 to 1 hour, so keep an eye on 99.6 if it can manage that one to pass. We're looking at 101, 103, 104. Caterpillar 4 hour is about to golden cross. It's all about 250. If it can pass that one, we're looking at 252, 256. It's still very bearish on weekly, but I like that the 4 hour is about to golden cross. MDB is getting interesting there too. It's all about 413, 97. If it passes that one, next is 119.49. LRCX 5 points higher opening. So it's all about 721. If we can pass that one, we're looking for 726, 731.56. That's pretty much it on the major names. Again, it's all about SPX 4577.66. If we can pass that one, market can get crazy and squeezy. Anyway, best of luck today. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please like the video, subscribe, that helps a lot. And if you like, you can join Side Option Service if you want. Just level chartwiser.com, and have a lovely day.